Are you a new Amazon seller, or maybe you're considering selling on Amazon and you have the question how to find profitable products to sell on Amazon in this year, 2020? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, and I'm going to actually show a real example of how to do it, and we're going to get started right now. What's going on, working class hustlers? Thanks for joining me. And first things first, the method that I use to sell on Amazon is called arbitrage. If you're not familiar with that, arbitrage is where you go out to retail stores or you go online, and essentially you're buying products retail and you're finding the price differences in the markets, and that way you can actually sell those products that you bought right at the store for a profit on Amazon. If you're interested in learning more about that, you really want to get good at it, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Now, that way you can be notified every Thursday and every Friday when we upload, and we go live every Saturday. So let's get right into it. When you talk about arbitrage on Amazon, like I said, you're either going to go online to find products or you're going to go into retail stores. Both work. I actually advise doing a combination of both. But remember, in the title, we're talking about how to find profitable products. So you really need to define what is profitable for you. Now, obviously, if you get more money back than what you put out, meaning you get an actual return on investment that is positive, then you've made a profit. But you have to have a plan. First and foremost, you need to determine what your plan is and what return on investment you want. Myself, I will take anywhere from a 20% return on investment and above. So we're going to look at a product. Actually, I tell you what, we publish every Thursday, Friday, and we go live on Saturdays. And the product that we're going to look at is something that we found, the hustlers and I, the working class hustlers, we found together on one of my videos from last week. And here's what you have to understand, guys. We were doing online arbitrage, and you have to understand, I don't just talk about these types of products and stuff like this. This is what I actually do. That means that when we're sourcing together, which is what I love to do on the channel, I'm actually going out and buying those products. It's not a theory. It's not my opinion. I actually go out and do it. And oftentimes I love to show how we went out and sourced together, and then I actually sold the products. So we're going to take a quick break just to look at my account real quick and see. Okay, guys, so we're in my Seller Central account, and they've sort of changed things around here. If you follow my channel, I normally would show my numbers right in this box. They've changed things. So it looks like now everything is up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the sales that we've had today, and it looks like there are 4, but we'll hit the refresh key just in case it may have changed. So we're going to say today, nope, it's still 4. And if we look at the last 7 days, you can see where we are. And if we go to 15 days, and if we go for our running 30-day total, that means if we take today and go back 30 days, we have done $16,829.75 in sales. Now that's total revenue, guys. That's total revenue. So in order to really be transparent, we need to show you what am I actually keeping from that. If we're basically halfway into the month, we're going to come over to a software called Inventory Lab, which, by the way, I love this software because it goes so much further into your business. When you use Seller Central, that's great for running the business. That they're not really designed to help you manage your business, and to be successful, you have to manage. That's why I love this software. But if you look at the month of June, so this is what we've had come in so far. This is what we're able to keep. And if we stay on this trajectory, we'll probably keep about $3,000. And you guys got to understand, I work a full-time job as a truck driver. So watch what we're going to do here. We're going to come over here, and I want to show you. I can't remember which video it was. I don't know if it was either last Thursday, Friday, or if it was on the live stream. Not this, I'm saying a week ago. So not the live stream from just this weekend, but the weekend before, and then those videos. I found this product, and it just came from Walmart. Look at Pepsi AC. Now you might think, I'm not into that. Maybe you're not. You can sell in any category that you're approved to sell in. If you're a beginner, you just have to figure that out and go from there. But watch what happens. I'm going to show you a couple of softwares because again, keep in mind, the question is, how do I find profitable products? So you have to understand, we're going to show you two softwares. One, we're here right now, and what we're going to do is this software has research tools. Now watch what happens. What we're going to do is we're going to take the UPC code. We're going to punch that in. This is a real product, guys. And if you can get on it, we're going to see, would it be profitable for you? Now, this software is showing two results. We're going to pick the one that has a thumbs up. It kind of already knows that we could make a profit, or at least it's kind of basing, the algorithm is kind of saying that. But what we want to do, so there's the product. But before we even get into it, we're going to click on that. And you see how it populates. It's not showing any FBA over here when it should, because it's just not updated or whatever's going on with the listing. But how much did we pay for that? You know what we'll do? We'll come over and we'll look. This is where I bought the product at Walmart. Okay, I paid $7.94 each. So what we'll do is we'll put $7.94, and then you'll see right now we're looking at a return on investment of $53.78. Now, we need to make an adjustment on that. What we'll do is we'll take this same software, we'll click on the ASIN. That's Amazon's way of kind of keeping track. And what we'll do is, you'll learn as you go along, but a rank of 8,000 somewhere, that's doing very good. You want to make sure you have the right product, because this could be a multi-pack, but in this case it isn't. You just want to kind of look at your competition. And remember, you got a lot of people on this listing, but you're only concerned with the prime, right? You're a working class hustler. That means you don't necessarily want to ship this stuff out yourself. You take all of your inventory, you send it into Amazon, and you let Amazon do the work for you. So we're going to assume that we would jump in with this guy. He's the lowest, so most likely he's going to control the buy box. If you don't know what the buy box is, you'll learn on the other videos on this channel. So we're going to say we'll jump in at 1709, and that could change, but let's just say 1709. And so here you can see we're at a profit of return on investment of almost 41%. So that's one software that we're using. But watch this. Here we are on the listing again. And what we're going to do, we're going to use, there's another software that I use called Tactical Arbitrage. And that is designed to help you find products without you having to do all of the work. It does so much of the legwork for you. And look at what it's showing us right away. Estimated monthly sales, 1,971. So if you've got 33 people on a listing, but it's selling almost 2,000 units a month, there will be room for you. And watch what we can do. This is actually a Chrome extension that comes with that software. So we could actually go and we can open up and really do some research on this product. And again, guys, this is just one example. This is just one category. And remember, we paid, what did we say we paid? We paid $7.94. So we're going to put that price in there, what we paid, $7.94. We're going to click the check mark. We're going to let that populate and look at all of your competition. These are your merchant fulfilled. MF is merchant fulfilled. You're worried about your FBA people. And here you can see if you were to jump in at this guy's price. And further on down, you can see and look at, you can even see how much stock each person has. This guy's back ordered. So, I mean, you can just put that into your strategy, okay? And understand the software is showing you your return on investment, your actual profit, if you were to match a particular seller. So that is pretty much what I wanted to show you. So guys, I'm going to show my screen here just so that you can see a little bit of how tactical arbitrage looks. And you have all sorts of things. You've got to set your cash. You've got, where you're sourcing from, your different websites. You've got all types of things that you need to be able to set up. You've got a lot of filters. I mean, there's just a lot going on here. And it's really not all of that user friendly. It's not very intuitive in my opinion, but check this out. This is important. We got a video set up at the end, and that way you don't have to try and figure all of this stuff out yourself. We got everything set up for you to teach you everything. Now, if you sign up, they actually have a 7-day free trial. But if you sign up using my link down in the description, you'll actually get an additional 3 days. And if you use the information that you're going to learn in the next video, you'll actually be prepared so that you get the most out of your free trial during those 10 days. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick example of how easy it is for you to find products. And again, we're using the software Tactical Arbitrage. And the software looks like this. Once you really get into it, once you get inside, you need to know how to use the software. And watch that about tactical arbitrage so that you can really learn how to use that powerful software to your advantage.